Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 307. If we start with this bottom row, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. I don't see any help, so 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. No help here. 2, 6, 8. 6 here, so 2, 8. No help here. 2, 6, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 7, 8, 9. We've got 2 and 7 here, so 8, 9. 9 here, so 2, 7, 8. 7 here, so 2, 8, 9. 7 here, so 2, 8, 9. So if we look, the only place the 7 can be in that row is here. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 8. We've got the 4 here, so 2, 3, 8. 3 here, so 2, 4, 8. And 3 here, so 2, 4, 8. So if we look, the only place the 3 can be in that row is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 8. We've got 1 and 6 here, so 2, 8. 2 here, so 1, 6, 8. 1 and 8 and 6 here makes this our 2, 8. That 1 and 8 makes this our 6. So our 1 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 4 and 5, and I don't see any help. 4, 5, 4, 5. With that 8, we can get rid of this 8. And for this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 6, 1. And with that 6, we can get rid of this 6. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, 6, and 9. We've got the 4 and 5 here, so 6, 9, 6, 9. If we look at this top row, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 5 here, so 4, 5. And with that 5, we can get rid of this 5 and this 5. And that means the only place in this box that our 5 can be is here. That 5 makes this our 4, 5. And that 4 makes this our 8, 4. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 8. I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 7. 2 here, 3 here makes this our 7. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. Now with that 8, we can get rid of this 8 and this 8. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. For this box, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. That 6 makes this our 9. And with that 9, we can get rid of this 9. For this column now, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 4, 8. 4 here, so 2, 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, 8, and 9. We've got 3 and 4 here, so 8, 9. No help here. 3, 4, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this row, we're missing a 9. That 9 makes this our 8. 9, 8. And that 8 makes this our 2, 4. Let's see, and this 2 and 8 makes this our 9. And that 4 makes this our 2. Let's do some cleanup here. That 4 and 8 makes this our 3, 4. And that 2 and 3 makes this our 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.